We started selling plants just as a side hustle, and then it just kind of took off. Having a green space in my neighborhood has always been a goal of mine.
Hi, my name is Sandra. I am the owner of the Plant Chica in Leimert Park, and this is how I stay cute at work.
I love wearing my hair halfway up, but also I try to wear bandanas when I don't feel like doing my hair. When I was younger, I never wanted curly hair. I straightened my hair permanently. I had a moment in my 20s. I started just really embracing it and finding the right product. That's what truly made me appreciate my hair. I like my curls to stay hydrated and defined. And so I go to Sephora to find high quality products that work for my specific hair. My parents are Salvadorian. In our culture, we're around plants all the time. It's so therapeutic for us. And now my son is growing up being around plants the same way I grew up. I want to pass down to him all the things that we do for our community.
I am leaving the greenhouse now, and I want to be able to wear my hair down because I'm going on a date night with my husband. Step 1 is re-wetting my hair.
I always part my hair, go in with a good leave-in conditioner. I still want it to feel soft with some definition to the curls. And then I use the Crown Affair gel, and I scrunch my hair to make sure I can get a little more volume.
And once I'm ready to leave, I go in with Ceremonia hair mist. This is guava scented, and it just makes my hair feel and smell amazing after a long, hard day at work.
Plants are beautiful, and it's really nice to work with this beautiful green oasis. I'm here on Earth to serve my community, and we couldn't be any happier to be here.